All right, guys, we're back with another box of Action Pack Football 94 being open. Regular hobby. And it's hobby because of the promo pack there. So, this is 22 Limit Zone 22. Excuse me. Please like and subscribe. Last video, last box, we opened up another Michael Irvin 24 karat gold. And that's one from way earlier. So we got two dupes. We got two, which is I am astonished to see this. Anyway, promo pack. That's for video number 21. So we'll see if we get any more golds out of this. Who knows? But we got 5 boxes left of 94 regular. Okay, Givens on top. Cunningham. Oops, sorry. Herman Moore. Fantasy forecast. Andre Rison. Herman Moore again. Seen this pack before. And Jeff Hostetler, quarterback club. Okay. John Taylor on front. So we're back to these kind of packs where they're turned around. Allen. Joe Montana Fantasy Forecast. Hampton. Kelly. Michael Irvin. Catching Fire. Okay. Ernest Givens, Fantasy Forecast. Okay. Shannon Sharp. Card turned around. Verline. Gilbert. Randall Cunningham, QB Club. And Derek Thomas. So this is box 16 out of 20. Waters. Braille card. Mr. Bledsoe. Joe Montana Fantasy Forecast. Bettis. Spielman and Warren Moon. QB Club. Okay, Brett Favre on top. I haven't seen that one yet. Favre on top. Woodson. Prohill. Turnbull. Smith. John Elway, QB Club. Yeah, Troy Aikman and Dan Marino have not made a presence here on these box openings of the QB clubs. Humphreys, Brisby, Dolman, Childress, Joe Montana, and Jim Kelly, QB Club. Straighten up these stacks a little bit over here with the Fantasy Forecast especially. Okay. Potts on top. Garrison Hurst. Fantasy Forecast. Perry. Jackson. Bernie Kosar. Lot. Jackson. Walker. And you got another Emmett. There's Emmett in the house. I like card number 11 of that one. Whoa. Got another Brett Favre. And Boomer Esiason, QB Club. Lloyd. Calvin Williams. Michael Irvin, Fantasy Forecast. Novacek. Klingler. And Herman Moore, Catching Fire. I got 3 big stacks of Warp Speeds compared to 2 stacks of Herman Moore. It's amazing how many Warp Speeds I've opened up on this opening. Okay, Brown, Davis, Harmon, Haley, Bennett, and Catching Fire. There we go. All right, Slaughter. Joyner, LAFF, Wolford, Thomas, Barry Foster, Warp Speed. Okay, Brown. I've never seen him on the top of a pack before. Oh, my bad, guys. Okay. Martin. John Randall. Hayes. Thomas again. Andre Rison. Catching Fire. Yeah, I'm getting tired. Trying to knock things around, getting a little lazy armed. All this shit. Hostetler. Slaughter. Who's behind Slaughter? Hurst. Wolford. Favre again. Michael Irvin. QB Club. Yeah, I haven't pulled any Jerry Rice QB Clubs either. That's another one I haven't seen pop up through here. The way this is going, I doubt we'll see it, but Potts, Walker, Shannon Sharp, FF, Harper, Kelly, Bernie Kosar, QB Club. Okay, I'm gonna move this stack out of the way. I'm about to knock it over. Okay, Butler, Jackson, Allen, Perry, Joe Montana, Boomer Esiason, QB Club. Okay, Woodson, Walker, Urban FF, Childress, Thomas again, Herman Moore, Catching Fire. Okay, Dent, Potts, Randall, Novacek, Herman Moore, Irving Fryer, Catching Fire. All right, Coates. Cunningham, Herman Moore, FF, Charles Haley, Thomas, and Barry Foster. Warp Speed. Okay. I haven't seen that FF at all. Ricky Waters, FF. Potts. Berline. Woodford. Spielman. Andre Rison, Catching Fire. Alright, we got 5 more packs on this box. Alright, Jackson. Braille card. Bledsoe. Thomas FF. Haynes. Smith. Hostetler. QB Club. Okay, up this around. Brown. John Taylor. Crowhill, Rison, Smith, and QB Cunningham. Brisby. Miller. Foster FF. Gilbert. Testaverde. Warren Moon, QB Club. Okay, we got Shepard, Lloyd, whoa, Carter, Bettis, Metcalf, and John Elway, QB Club. Last pack of this box. Last pack of box 16. Davis, Rice, Kirby, or Fryer, FF, Turnbull, Jackson, Chris Warren, Warp Speed. Okay, well, that's it for that box. That's box 16 out of 20. We got 4 more boxes to go. Woo! What a day! What a day! Crazy stuff. Okay. All right. Well, 22 Zone 22 signing off. Peace out.